Yeah, let me give you those guys because I am not seeing them.
Morning, everybody. Mike Niemiec here with some early morning grain and oilseed news for Tuesday, January 26th. Kind of a mix, lower trade, not much in the overnight session. Try to fight our way back towards the unchanged level, but currently we got corn and wheat down roughly a penny, beans down 3, meal down $1.50, and the soybean oil market unchanged. Not much change in the overall news and or in the sideways trading range that the markets are currently in for corn, wheat, and soybeans of roughly 50 cents. Yesterday we had our weekly exports come on out, and as you can see, our year-to-date exports versus what the USDA is forecasting is running behind. So thus, that's not a very good sign for the market going forward in here unless that changes greatly. We also saw overnight where China came out with their December import-export numbers. It was talked about on how they had a record amount of corn and corn substitute imports, things such as corn, DDGs, sorghum, barley. They also had a strong import number for the month of December of soybeans, over 9 million tons. But probably more importantly, that strong import number for corn and corn substitutes, will it be maintained going forward? Because the Chinese are trying to get some market policy going to where they are going to try and have domestic corn prices work their way towards the market price. And they're also trying to look to release the reserves of perhaps beans, but most notably corn. So will those imports be steady going down the road? Russia's in the news as well. They were talked about as far as maybe perhaps changing their import policy. Their domestic guys aren't liking the high price they have to pay for the ruble versus the exporter trying to get rid of it at very good prices. So we're continuing to monitor that, as well as continuing to watch what's going on with South American weather. So that continues to be of importance over the next month, month and a half. Argentina's a little bit on the dry side. The trade will continue to kind of monitor that. Not much in the way as far as rain in the forecast, so we'll just, like I say, continue to keep an eye on it. However, we still remain, if it was a commitment of traders report day yesterday, we still remain modest to sizable net shorts in wheat, corn, beans, and meal, net long the soybean oil. We're in a sideways trading range, like I said, and today's and or the rest of the week's price action may just be something as far as long lines of position evening as we work our way to the end of the first month of the new year. So once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.